Hello, this is Chris Andrews, Commercial Fleet Manager at Rothrock Motor Sales. We carry Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, Ram, and Nissan, as well as a full lineup of Ram commercial products. We're now carrying a new product line of performance lifted trucks and Jeeps. This particular truck is a 2021 Ram 1500 Bighorn with a TECSTAR upfit package, performance package. We're also going to be carrying SCA Black Widow, Charade, Rocky Mountain, and Rocky Ridge trucks and Jeeps. This truck comes with a 6-inch lift kit, also has 37-inch Mickey Thompson Baja Tires on 20-inch custom black and milled wheels. Fender flares with black bolts. You're going to have black logos and badging around the truck, as well as full-length Black Horse running boards on this truck. On the inside, we've equipped it with custom fit black leather interior with TECSTAR logos. The truck also has a performance exhaust upgrade, matte finish vent shades, and comes with the complete full factory warranty from Ram. So you will have no loss of warranty coverage. TECSTAR is an approved upfitter for Ram, so everything is fully under the full factory warranty. If you have any interest in any of these trucks, they come in different colors, please give me a call. My number is 484-223-0623. Thank you.